I run the Employment Routes programme, which is a sector-specific training programme linked to employment opportunities and in most cases guaranteed interviews. We covered a majority of sectors which include civil, plant and construction, rail, hospitality and catering, care in both residential and domiciliary, warehouse, manufacturing, telesales, customer service and leisure, and have employment links in all these areas. However, we also offer ad hoc training in all other areas as and when needed. Once enrolled onto the programme consists of an initial assessment or a pre-interview, sector-specific training for a maximum of 2 to 3 weeks, and then support with interview and application process. We can also cover the cost of any DBS checks and transport which is incurred through training. If you feel that this programme could help and support in any of the sectors mentioned, or indeed if you require different training which will lead on to a guaranteed job opportunity, then please get in touch. Thank you.